Hello, my dear students of class 10. Today, we are going to read the next text, that is from the diary of Anne Frank, written by Anne Frank herself. So, what you are going to read is basically excerpt from Anne Frank's diary. Right? So, what do you write diary and why do you write diary? Why do you write? Because you want to share something and you cannot share that thing with someone, then you write, right, in your diary. So, what you write, that is from your point of view, from your perspective. So, what you are going to read is Anne Frank's point of view. Okay, and when did she write this? When she was hiding, right? And this is very important to understand the then condition, that contemporary condition, what was going on, what kind of life she was leading at that particular time. You will understand all these things from this particular text. And you have heard about Second World War, right? So this thing was written in the background of Second World War. So Anneliese Mary Anne Frank, she was born in 12 June 1929 and she died in February or March 1945. So she lived for only 15 or 16 years, right? And she was a German-born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Okay, so she was born in Germany. Okay, German. That's why born Jewish girl of Jewish religion who wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends were in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands. Means at that time, so actually she was born in Amsterdam, that is another capital of Netherlands, and at that time Netherlands was occupied by Germany. That's why German occupation Netherlands. When in World War II, at that time she wrote this. So she wrote while she was hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of Netherlands in World War II. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany. Nazis means Adolf Hitler, the supreme of Nazi, right? So then Nazis gained power in Germany but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands, and they were trapped. They were separated to Netherlands, but they were trapped. Why? Because Nazi occupied Netherlands too. As persecutions against the Jewish population increased. Persecution means that maltreatment, unjust behavior, persecution against the Jewish population increased by the Nazis. The family went into hiding in July 1942 in hiding rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building, and the family went to hide when in July 1942, where in her father Otto Frank's office building. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp system, where Anne died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister, Margot Frank. Okay, and they were hiding for 2 years. After that, that group was betrayed and they are transported to the concentration camp, the kind of camp where the Nazis they used to keep the Jewish population and they used to maltreat, punish this particular race, and then there Anne died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen, this place, within days of her sister Margot Frank. So her sister Margot Frank first died, then Anne Frank died. Her father, Otto, the only survivor of the group, of the particular group, was only her father, Otto Frank, who returned to Amsterdam after the war ended, from the concentration camp to the Amsterdam. He returned after the war ended, and to find that her diary had been saved, and he discovered that her diary had been saved. Convinced understood that it was a unique record. It was a unique record. Means no one recorded in that manner, unique record. He took action to have it published in England in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. And he took the initiative to publish the diary under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicles the events of her life from 12 June 1942 until its final entry of August 1, 1944. And the diary was gifted to Anne Frank on her 13th birthday. And chronicles means the recorded history. It's a recorded events of the events of her life from 12 June, and she recorded the events from 12 June 1942 to August 1, 1944. So for this almost 2 years, more than 2 years she recorded. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. So it was first Anne Frank wrote in Dutch. Okay, then it was translated from that to other languages, and it was most widely read books. And there have also been several films, television and theatrical productions, and even an opera based on the diary. So many things like film, television series, then theatrical productions, theater, and even an opera kind of drama, right, based on the diary, described as the work of a mature and insightful mind. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. Though she was only a child of 15-16 years, like your age, but described as the work of a mature and insightful mind, very depth mind, right? Deeper understanding she had, and the diary provides, it gives an intimate examination, very close examination of daily life under Nazi occupation, under the Nazis. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned, most popular, and discussed of the Holocaust victims. Holocaust means that large massacre, massive killing. So that victims. Okay. And she wrote, "This is a photo as I would wish myself to look all the time. Then I would maybe have a chance to come to Hollywood." And Frank, actually, she had pain, right? So she was kind of saying that this is the photo that I would wish myself to look all the time. Then I would maybe have a chance to come to Hollywood. Then you have this activity. What is journal? What is diary? What is log? What is memoir? Memoir or memoirs? That's why is within bracket. You have to say all these things. A book with a separate space or page for each day in which you write down your thoughts and feelings for what has happened on that day. So what is this? Definitely diary. Then a full record of journey, a period of time or an event written every day. What is that? Then a record of person's own life and experiences, usually a famous person. What is that? A written record of events with times and dates, usually official. What is that? True. Match. Then here are some entries from personal records. You have to read the lines and have to answer what is that. From this journal, diary, log, memoir. You have 4 options. You have to mention over here. So you will do it as home task. Okay. Then we will start the text in our next class. That's all. Thank you.